Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change your username on TikTok. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your username on TikTok, it's actually so easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your TikTok. And after opening your TikTok, next, I want you to go to your profile at the bottom right corner. And once you're on your TikTok profile, you will then be able to see the edit profile option right here, which is where you can make changes to your account details such as profile picture, bio, and of course, your username. So just go and tap it. And after tapping it, you will now be able to see the username option right here. So just tap it to start changing your username. And then you can now enter the new username that you want. By the way guys, you can only change your TikTok username once in every 30 days, so make sure that the username that you will enter is good, because you will need to wait for a long time before you can change it again. And once you're done entering your new username, you can now tap save to completely save your changes. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your TikTok username will now be changed. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.